In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn off contacts on Instagram. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off we need to open up Instagram app and then tap right here to go to our Instagram profile page. Once it is done, tap at these three lines and then go to Account Center. After that, scroll down a bit and tap at Your Information and Permissions. And then at the very bottom, tap at Upload Contacts. Select your Instagram account. Here, as you can see, the option which is called Connect Contacts is now active, and while this option turned on, it means that at that moment Instagram has access to your contacts and can use that information to suggest you to possible friends and also show your account in suggested people from your phone book. To deactivate this option, hit at that switcher and then tap at Disconnect. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.